I'm 28 years right now in the industry, so I've seen a lot of change. I can remember printed off photos. I can remember sending hard disks. It is matured and developed, like I said, pretty rapidly. I mean, it's given you a look into the project like we've never been able to do before. Kevin Bredesen, I'm the Vice President of Preconstruction and Technology. I oversee 5 different departments, all support departments within the company. In addition to research and development, we're looking at what are the next things that are going to make an impact on our industry, what are the next things that are going to make an impact on our projects.
Biggest payoff for us is the value we see with the photo documentation. It is a pain to go and try and find a photo buried in months and months of photos that have been taken across the entirety of the project. With this, it's a simple click a button, navigate through the walk, do what you need to do. It means a lot for them to just be able to go to one place to find everything they need.
I've got a very academic approach into how we look at new technology, how we deploy new technology. Ultimately, the success of any one pilot can rest on curiosity, being able to expose things, look at them in a very real world setting. What are the challenges that we have? How do we train up to look to deploy this across the enterprise and the footprint?
For us to have one unified platform that just brings it all together to where we can point to our client and say, everything is right there. It changes the game, honestly.